Do you believe you have turned a corner given the difficulties of the end of last year for BNP Paribas?
Yeah, if you look at the evolution, we accelerated, and we announced it at the beginning of the year, we accelerated our CIB transformation plan. And basically it's on that acceleration that we started to see the benefits. For example, in fixed income, we saw already a pickup and a strong contribution in the first quarter, which was confirmed in the second quarter. When you look at equities, the market, if you look in the second quarter, remains still a bit lackluster, and we had on top of that a strong quarter a year ago. So that is the dynamic. So yes, we feel comfortable that the acceleration of our transformation plan in CIB is bearing fruit.
Do you believe this lackluster environment in equities will remain in the second half?
Listen, it's difficult for me to foresee, but what you see that typically in this kind of activities, and particularly also with low interest rates, you would assume that there will be a pickup in activity in equities. But we'll have to see, we'll talk again in the third quarter.
BNP Paribas entered a preliminary agreement with Deutsche Bank in order to assume control of the electronic equities trading and prime services for hedge funds. Could you give us an update on how you're planning to integrate those businesses?
It is a preliminary agreement. It's a preliminary agreement where BNP Paribas will be the bank of referral to onboard the clients that they can continue their service. This is still to be checked and validated by many things, of which the regulator. But if we look at how that is going, the interaction between the teams of Deutsche Bank and BNP Paribas is going very well. Moreover, the speed at which this is progressing is faster than expected. So from that point of view, we're very pleased with the discussions and interactions we're having.
So when would you like to complete a deal?
So as I said, what it will be clients coming over. And so that phasing typically takes time. So one could assume that the transfer of clients will be done basically within a year's time. So by the summer of 2020, that is a bit the horizon when I would expect that a transfer is finalized.